place.
And, Mike and I are feeling a little inadequate this morning.
Yes.
With all the NFL players getting ready for the draft, getting ready for the NFL season. We felt a little flabby and out of shape.
So we're trying to do something about that. That's why we invited Nikki Glore to join us right out here at 48th and 6th. Get us in shape.
Absolutely.
Hello, ladies.
Hi. Well, whether you're getting ready for the combine or a beach body, these are some moves that you can do to get you in shape. They're multitasking, and you can use a weight, a 5-pound to 10-pound weight, or a football.
Okay, so you got a football. A lot of people outside maybe want to play some football in the backyard with the kids or just get in shape because it's going to be beach time. So what do we start with? You have warm-up football jacks.
Yes, so I just
sort of like
you can
jumping
use a
jacks?
weight or a football and just jumping jacks. Take it up. So you always want to warm up before you hit those big moves, which I know, Clayton, you're going to be doing with us a little bit later, right?
Oh, yeah.
Up and down.
I do that with
5,
a cup of coffee.
6, 7,
How many of these are you
8.
supposed to do, Nikki?
I like to warm up for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
30 seconds to a minute, and then you can get right to it. So our next...
Go ahead. The next
Our
one is...
move is more of a muscle move. You step out to the side, plie squat, bicep curl in. So again, this is great if you have a weight too, because you're working your arms, your legs, and a little bit of cardio.
Clayton, help me.
And this is a great booty move.
I don't know how it'd help you.
Keep going, keep going. So this is a great booty move. It really tones your backside. It's from my booty camp DVD on NikkiFitness.com. You squeeze, you're toning your inner thighs on the plie, and you got your bicep curls going.
Where exactly is Booty Camp located?
Amazon.com. It's right here in New York City.
It's right next to Fat Camp.
I've been there.
So we're going to get rid of these footballs.
Now,
next move, we're really going to get serious.
This is the line of scrimmage block kick.
Yeah, so now that you've warmed up those inner thighs, line of scrimmage, block the kick. Line of scrimmage, block the kick.
What's that working?
This is working inner thighs, quads, glutes, and cardio. So you're really going to jump. Plyometrics is high and low.
From start to finish, I mean, you really don't even have to spend that many minutes doing all of this, right, every day?
No, you really get out of breath quickly. And then if you want to see our big finale, the big finale move, this is set to an 8 count. So
now this is tough. This is a burpee, which I just learned about. Do you know what a burpee is?
It's a seed of some sort. A burpee?
Well, it's not the kind you plant for your spring garden.
No, what's a burpee?
It's what you do after you drink a lot of soda, right?
Burp.
No, this is a great move because it works your arms, your cardio, and your glutes. So you come down on the floor, jump back into a plank, do a tricep push-up because we already worked our biceps.
Plank.
Jump back up, touchdown, and then your touchdown dance, take a bow.
Get off of me.
So we'll give that a try. It's an 8 count. You can do it with any music, a Hey song. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, back, push up, in, touchdown, take a bow. One more time.
Touchdown.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I think you should keep going with this.
1, 2,
Why?
3,
You were so
4,
jealous of
5,
Ryan Lochte. You're
7,
well on
8.
your way now. So from start to finish, how many minutes? About 10, 15?
If you repeat this 3 times and you do about a minute for each move, you can get to about a 20-minute really hardcore workout, and that's like a halftime.
So
Go Eagles, huh? Sean Jackson.
I hope this
if you,
year,
if you miss any of the moves, you can go to our website at foxnews.com.
And all these tips are on my Twitter, Nikki Fitness on Twitter, and NikkiFitness.com is where you get the Booty Camp DVD for that beachy booty.
All right. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Nikki. Thanks to everyone. And thank you for wearing Eagles shirts this morning. I appreciate it. Allie?